It's Chloe. Magic Chloe. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Nigel Chloe, and Georgia and I are about to take you guys on an awesome ride. You're probably wondering who Georgia is. All of this is Georgia. But welcome back to my channel. I have an awesome vlog for you guys today. It is the week of Thanksgiving, and today's vlog is called Don't Wobble While You Gobble. And I don't mean wobble like you dropping it like it's hot wobble. It means don't add on any pounds that will make you wobble in the wrong places while you're enjoying a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family and friends. Thanksgiving, of course, is a holiday celebrated here in the United States where friends and family gather together and we just have a reason to eat. The only person that doesn't eat is the turkey. Get it? He gets eaten. No. But anyways, all jokes aside. So today's vlog, like I said, is called Won't You Wobble While You Gobble. If you're new to the Nigel Chloe family and your first time watching, welcome. I'm your girl, Nigel Chloe, and I have a self-care vlog. I show you different ways you can take care of yourself mentally, physically, and spiritually. So I take you along with me and we interact through comments and through my social media platforms. So make sure you like and subscribe and you click that notification bell so you know when I'm always on. I have started doing like lives. I don't know if you guys noticed. I started doing lives and my lives are just pretty much just sporadic and random. I don't know when I'm going to do them. Sometimes I just have an urge, but I do them sometimes, so you can always go back and watch my lives. Like I said, back to rewinding and focus. Today's vlog is on different ways you can enjoy your Thanksgiving without overeating. And one of the things I'm going to share with you guys is one of my favorite dishes. I learned how to make it on Facebook one time, and and sometimes on Facebook they have like these different recipes of people cooking. So I saw something someone made. I love mashed potatoes. I love baked, loaded potatoes. Anything that comes from the potato family, French fries, I love. Probably that's why I got a gut right now. Too many carbs, but it's okay. But I saw this recipe and how you can make cauliflower mashed potatoes. And I made it for the first time maybe about a year or two ago. And it was a hit. Like, everyone loved it. It tasted like mashed potatoes. And I still put my melted butter. I still put my shredded cheese. And I was able to find some turkey bacon bits. And I put those on there. And it was, may I say, je ne sais quoi. Okay? So I'm going to show you guys how I make my cauliflower mashed potatoes. And that's just something you can use as a substitute as a side for that day. So you can still have the carb feel and taste that you want without actually getting the calories that come with the carb. Secondly, I am going to show you guys some simple workouts you can do, whether it's the week of Thanksgiving, the morning of Thanksgiving. You're like me. You probably try to work out to give yourself a reason to eat in the afternoon. So I'm going to be collaborating with one of my favorite workout gurus, my very own brother. He is a fitness guru. He knows the different things to train his body. He does weightlifting competitions. He's awesome. So he's going to show us, when I mean us, because we're together, we are a family. He's going to show us some simple workouts we can do prior to Thanksgiving. Like I said, if you want to do it in the morning, so you feel like you burnt some calories, and I'm going to actually count how many calories we burn doing that workout so you get an idea. So I don't even know if I'm ready to work out with him because my brother is a beast, y'all, and he does things that I hate. I hate doing crunches. Does anybody out there hate doing crunches? I hate doing crunches, but I want to lose my stomach. So I don't mind doing things where the whole who got time for that? Like, I don't mind doing things where I can stand up and do exercise and, work my abs, but having to like lay on the floor and do crunches. But I don't know what he has planned. We've only talked, my hands are ashy. Give me some, I always keep my Victoria's Secret hand lotion, but my hands are just too ashy. Too ashy. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I have for you guys today. The workout video and just some other ways where you can indulge on some healthy Thanksgiving substitutes if you still want to eat that day. And if you are going to eat that day, the food's not going to run away. Like COVID right now, I think most people are staying in their houses. I know we are for sure. I'm just going to order one of those Thanksgiving meals in a box and then ask my mom to come over and do some sides. That's pretty much it. So I know the vlog after this one is going to be, of course, my spirituality segment, which I'm doing with my best friend. And I'm so excited to do it with her. Hey, Kimmy girl. So that's what I'm going to be doing next month. And then I think in December for you guys, I have a vlog on, I'm going to try yoga for the first time. I've never done yoga, but I'm going to try it. Just something different, of different ways to exercise and, you know, show you guys. But yeah, that's about it for today. So come along with me as we're going to go to the store, get what we need, and then I'm going to show you how I make my cauliflower mashed potatoes, and then we'll go work out with my brother. Getting all the Thanksgiving stuff out together, which is cool. So that we're only here for the cauliflower. Aha! This is what you need. And depending on how many people you're making it for, I usually just go with one. So yeah, it's like $2.49 for one head. So I think I'm good to go on this one. Oh, I didn't even know they had orange cauliflower. That's cool. But we're gonna go with the white one. Oh, this is what I was telling you that I love. This is my favorite part of Thanksgiving, the desserts. And they have all the different kinds. They even have a balloon that looks like a pecan pie. Ooh. Yeah. All right, guys, so I'm back from the store and I wanted to show you what you need in order to make this awesome garlic cauliflower mashed potatoes. So of course, you're gonna need one floret of cauliflower. I have one cauliflower. You're going to need black pepper. Doesn't matter, this is the kind I have, the great value. Some salt, butter, garlic. You only need like one clove out of it. I have the little bacon bits. Of course, the pot. And mozzarella cheese. It says Parmesan, but I like mozzarella because you get that nice draw effect when the cheese is melted on it. So that's what you need just to get started. Nice, simple, and easy.
Interested to me. You are so tired of taking. I've also told you, you can always come now. Let's make your mother to this child. Bring him some money.
Okay, you guys, so I have the cauliflower on the pot. It's steaming, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get my garlic clove and chop it up into really small pieces. It's sad that I have to just need this one for this whole thing. But if you like that more garlicky taste, I'm sure you can probably put more, but I'm not really that much fan of garlic. Unless I'm trying to kill a vampire, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm just gonna rinse this off, chop, 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 and then go from there. Okay guys, so I've already fried just kind of sizzled the garlic. So now I'm just waiting for the cauliflower to boil. And then the next step that you have to do, which is the pretty easy one, you're gonna put it in a blender and blend everything together until the cauliflower gets to a nice consistency that you want. If you want it to have some lumps in it, sure. But I like mine to have a nice smooth cream look. So I'm going to put, once I put the cauliflower in the blender, I now add the garlic in there. And then we're pretty much done. And so I'm going to show you the final results. Just so you know, it's about 98 calories per serving, which is awesome. Not that bad compared to you eating like a whole loaded mashed potato, which is over 200. But can't wait to show you guys the final results. All right, you guys. So I just got to my brother's workout gym, and we are about to get started. We have about 5 or 6 easy pre-gobble before you wobble workouts you can do. I got my cousin Dooms he's gonna join me. Got the Beastmaster there. What do you got planned for the people, Joe?
Just a few exercises to get everybody nice and warm before they start eating up for Thanksgiving. Yeah, so we're gonna start off with the pre-workout, which is just going for a walk, and then we got some squats and lunges that he has for us. So, you know, I'm trying to see if I can keep my face looking like this. You know how they do on Instagram, those girls that they have a full makeup and they're like, oh my God, I just worked out. So let's see if this really works, okay? All right, see y'all later. Come on, Dims, go for a walk. All right, you guys, we're about to do some air squats. All right. 10 air squats. All right, with the air squats, what you want to do is at least 4 sets. Try to do 4 sets of 25 to 50. You know.
4 sets of 25.
Joe boy one day, go to buffet. No my get so come my love body on che. I thought I don't mind the pepe them no you do my do. Cause you go there. About to pepe I should be shake. I don't wanna hear you shake. I don't wanna hear you there with another man. The way your body do it, I don't like that. I see you with another man. I don't wanna hear you shake. I don't wanna hear you there with another man. The way your body do it, I don't wanna see you with nobody, 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 nobody. Don't wanna see with nobody, 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 nobody. Baby, this your body, no be yeah. I tell you, say you fine, you know they get me. I know be dundee. I see you with the soji. Anyway, me I know go get.
Not only you, I get one I swear.
So don't waste time, baby, my rose. Oh yeah, cause it be you I want, it be you I they want. Oh, I go prove my love, I go miss it all. Oh.
It will. 20 seconds. That's the longest 20 seconds.
Clock done.
What?
You guys are like 15.
That only 15?
Yeah, I was counting this man.
Hey guys, so we are done with our workout. We're just rounding it up with a nice walk. Like I said, you can do each exercise according to what your body can take you. Dooms, how would you describe the workout?
It was good.
So this video is in collaboration with a company called Yame Watch. They make this fit watch, and I tell you guys, this watch is awesome. It takes my blood pressure. Like I tell you guys, I'm on blood pressure medication. It helps me take my blood pressure. It rates your sleeping pattern. It also, of course, is a fitness watch. So you can connect your phone to it and get messages, but I just use it strictly for fitness because I have my Fossil watch for my messages one. Yeah, you know. But yeah, so thanks Yame for this watch. And how many calories did we burn? It told us that we burned about...
I burned 115.
115 calories just doing those 1 reps of exercises. But yes, you guys, this is the watch. So, toodles, until next time, enjoy your Thanksgiving. Make sure you enjoy the moment. Be safe. COVID is still real. We'll talk to you later. Toodles. Bye, Dooms.